In this video, we are going to see how we can install the Chrome browser on an iPhone, and this is the latest iOS version. So let me show you how we can install one. First of all, just head over to the App Store that you will find on your desktop icons just like this. But if you can't find it for some reason, what you can do is just swipe towards right and keep swiping it until you see the app library. From here, you can either search for it or you can find it directly. So anyways, we click on that, and if you want to search for any application, you will see it down here at the bottom. From here, we will simply write Chrome. It will load up the results, and there we have it, Google Chrome. We will get a get icon next to it. We click on that and we start installing it. It might ask you for the password verification. That is a security feature of an iPhone. So now it is installing, so just wait for it to install. Now once that is successfully installed, you will get this open button next to it. We click on that and it will ask you for your ID. You can click on it. Yes, I'm in. And you can make this as default browser so that whenever you open any document, it will open up in Google Chrome instead of Safari browser. So click on make default settings. And as you can see, the default browser app is set to Safari. We will switch it to Chrome now. And from now on, you will open any document directly into Google Chrome. You go back and there we have it. Now, if you want to add it into the bottom list, you can remove the Safari browser and we can add it here. So if you want to remove it, you just hold on to it first so that it starts bubbling. You click on edit home screen and it will start bubbling, and after that you can remove one. You can remove one like this, remove from home screen, and then you can add a different browser. In this case, I have added Chrome. And now I can start using the browser just like so. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.